Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is breakfast time. This is my breakfast food, chicken and rice, and also I have sweet and cooked Chinese pizza and dates and fresh orange and hot drinks. That's my breakfast foods, mga idol. Okay, let's say a little bit hot. Wow. Wow na wow. Fresh orange. Mm. Sweet orange. Malasaan mo yung tamis niya talaga. Mm. Masarap. Mm.